Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If USB device is not being recognized by your system, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to do is to look for the device manager, and here in the Universal Series Bus Controllers, we'll look for the USB root hub, right click on it and click on properties. Go to the power management tab and uncheck the box, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK and do this for the other USB root hub devices. Once that is done, disconnect the charging cable from your laptop, that is the power adapter, and while that is disconnected, we will update or reinstall the drivers. So go to device manager and look for the Universal Series Bus Controllers. Right click, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers and do this for the remaining root hubs. Now try to connect the USB again. If this doesn't work, then you need to right click, click on uninstall device, uninstall it, and then once it's uninstalled, it'll be missing from here. So click on Universal Series Bus Controllers, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes, and it should reinstall the drivers. Now once that is done, we will also disable the fast startup. So press the Windows and the R keys simultaneously to bring up the run button. Type in the line power cfg.cpl, hit the enter button, and then click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are unavailable and uncheck the turn on fast startup. Click on save changes, and the next step is to run the device and hardware troubleshooter. So for that, we'll press the Windows and the R key again to bring up the run dialog and enter the line msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and click on OK, and then click on next and wait for the troubleshooter to detect the problems and fix it. Then you can fix it yourself or fix automatically, whichever option is there if there's some issue with your device. And then you can plug in the USB device and it will be detected. You can also plug in the power adapter now. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.